Oh my gosh, the mosquitoes are going to eat me alive. Okay, hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Roxana from SoilandMagaritas, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of a couple of houseplants that I ordered. Yes, you heard that right. I am now going to be also apparently into houseplants. Why? Because why not? So let me do the unboxing and I'll show you what I got, and then also because I don't have enough time today to record the whole video, I am going to show you a part 2 here in a couple minutes of everything else that I have so far. And I think this would be a good video to make for myself because I want to see how the plants look like right now when I first got them, and then maybe I can do a update here in a couple of months during the winter to see how they're doing inside, and also I can show you where I have them indoors and what kind of light they're getting and all of that good stuff. I don't consider myself the best person to keep houseplants indoors, but the last time that I tried, I think it was in 2006. It wasn't the best experience. I now know what I did wrong. I did several things wrong, but let me do the unboxing and then I'll show you what else I have. Ooh. Okay, it basically has a note saying what I should do right after I unpack them, and if the plant is damaged to send a picture, and then they'll send me a replacement. Oh gosh, okay, here's one. I'm just afraid to just open it all together. Okay. Oh my gosh, can you see the mosquitoes just trying to eat me? Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Okay, this is like, it feels still a little wet, probably to keep all the moisture. Oh my gosh, you guys can see the mosquitoes around me. I am not kidding you when I tell you that mosquitoes just love me, and this is me not having anything, no sprays on me. Oh, look at that gorgeous leaf right there. Okay, this is a Scindapsus exotica. Put the name on the screen. Oh my gosh, has like 3 new leaves coming up. Oh, beautiful. Yes. Oh my world. Okay, this one has a name tag, so I wonder if I took the name tag for the other one. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. This one is just divine. Okay, this one here. This was a Peperomia incana. Oh, look at that, you guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. These are so beautiful. Look at the size of this leaf. This one is broken, but I don't care. I'm not perfect, so my plants don't have to be perfect. Oh, these are so velvety. Like the feel of them are so velvety. Oh gosh, I am so excited about this one. I mean, I'm excited about all, but oh my gosh. Now, before I open this one, the only reason why I bought this one was because when I first saw a picture about it, I thought that it was an nasturtium or some sort of nasturtium variety for a houseplant. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. I know the name of this one because I felt like I spent almost 2 days watching videos of people. So a lot of people refer to this bulb like as a potato. So I don't know if you can see it. Gosh, I see roots. Okay, so this one probably got a little, look at that. Doesn't that look like a nasturtium to you? It does to me, and that's the whole reason why I bought it. I hope my husband is not watching this video. but I am going to super carefully gonna go inside and get some like scissors and some other things because I can see some roots. And hopefully here in a minute I'll show you everything and how everything else that I have is looking. And again, I know this is my first video talking about houseplants, but I figure I am going to be trying coleus and sweet potato vines inside anyways. And that's how this whole mess got started. I used to grab 1 or 2 houseplants to keep company for my coleus and my sweet potato vine, and next thing I know, this happened. Like I said, these were the reason why I wanted to grab just a couple of these guys. You know, I used to put maybe in a little corner, but then I found one that I bought it. Then I found another one and I bought it, and next thing I know, I think that I am done. I just show you the unboxing of a couple of them. I'm not going to show you those again, but I'm going to give you an update. Actually, when I unboxed those, it was a few days ago, probably about a week now. And my dog, oh gosh, I was so upset about this. This is the nasturtium, this is the Stephania erecta that I show you. That the main reason why I got that one is because it looked like a nasturtium. The leaves look like nasturtium leaves. It was totally my fault. I left it on the floor next to a window in my bedroom, and my dog, my big boxer, found it, and he just kind of busted. He started licking the leaves for some reason, and he kind of busted these, and it's almost off of the bulb, which makes sense why the leaves just fell off of it. So I'm going to keep adding water to it, and hopefully maybe it sprouts again. I don't know. So let me show you what I have here. The coleus, I'm going to show you in the next video. I am going to be putting these coleus in containers because look at the leaves. Do you see? I'm sorry, look at the roots. Look at the roots. Look how grown they have been. Oh gosh, these roots are definitely ready for me to put them in containers. So that's going to be the next video, and this is what you shouldn't do. You should not wait until your water is this cloudy. I haven't put a new one because I had been meaning to just do this right away. But these are the 2 that I had been keeping inside. I change the water every couple of days or so. Look at those roots. Those gorgeous. Oh gosh, please don't rain. Okay, so those are definitely done. They're definitely ready. So let me show you a couple other things that I have. I have this alocasia. It's Regal Shield. And look at the leaves, you guys. Look at the gorgeous velvety green color. I bought this from Florida, from a person in Florida through Etsy, and it arrived in great condition. Oh gosh, mosquitoes. And I'm hoping that it does well here. So far, I've had it for about 4 days. So far, it looks good. Like I mentioned, I don't have any experience with houseplants indoors, so I am just hoping that these guys make it. Look at that. They're just gorgeous. Here is one. If you guys follow me on Instagram, here is one that you probably already know. This one is a string of rubies or ruby necklace. Just love it. And I actually have it in a container, in a small, I think it's a 4-inch container inside this fake head. I say fake because it looks like concrete, but it's not. It's kind of like a really thick plastic, but I like it there. So hopefully it works out for me. This is the one that I unboxed earlier. This guy right here, I got it at Meijer out of all places. This is a pilea, and I just love the leaves. They're rounded, they're gorgeous, and again, I have it in a plastic container where it came, and I have it inside here. That way, if I water it, I'm not worried about you know, where the water is going to come out, messing up whatever I had them on. So that's the plant for right now. This one is gorgeous. This one is a string of turtles. That is, this one I have had it for about 2 weeks now, I think. And this one it's liking it. I think that it's going to be okay. I'm excited for these trailing ones because I have seen this one where it's just like really, really long. And I am hoping that it's going to do that. On that note, this one is a Peperomia Ruby Cascade. It looked a lot better when I got it. Again, I got it at the same time than this string of turtles. The names are still sometimes new to me. I don't know, it dries really quick, but then if I add water, I feel like, I don't know. I'm still learning a lot of these house plants, you guys, but the ones that I have here, they look like they're doing okay, so I don't know. Oh, this one, you guys. I love this guy. It's hard for me to say the name. Scindapsus. This one is the Exotica Scindapsus. And it has a new leaf right here. But look at the size of those leaves. I show you this one on the unboxing, but this is the one that I got. This is, again, a Scindapsus, but this one is the, I'm gonna put the name on the screen, Argenarias, something like that. But I should put name tags on here. But this one, the leaves are smaller, and the spots, the white spots on the leaves are definitely different than the Exotica. I don't know if you can tell. I love these two. Oh, this guy right here. I am a little worried about this one because I saw it, I fell in love with it, and I brought it home, and then I started doing some research about it, which is not the best thing to do, but I did it. Apparently, it's a kind of like a tricky one to take care of. It likes certain things, it doesn't like other things, but so far I think that it's doing well. I just love the color, like the back of the leaves. I don't know if you can tell. I just love that. Absolutely love it. Again, I have it in a 6-inch plastic container inside this ceramic container that I got at Hobby Lobby. That one is doing well. This guy right here, I think this might have been the first one that I got. This is a I don't even remember the name. I have the tag inside, but this seems to be doing okay. I forgot about this one for about 2 days in my car about a month ago, and when I went to go somewhere, I thought, oh shoot, I have that plant there, and it was fine. It was like no problem. It was still in the 70s and 80s outside, so this one is going to be trailing, and I just love, there is something about heart-shaped leaves that I just love. Absolutely love this one, and it has a bunch of new shoots right here where you can tell where the new leaves are coming. So I like that. I enjoy that. And before the rain comes, I'm going to show you the last one that I got. This one right here, oh my gosh, I just love it. This one is Baby Tears, and it's in a 6-inch container, and I have it inside this candle holder. I am not allowed to make holes in the ceiling, so that's why I cannot hang any baskets, but I can put them somewhere where it's tall so they can just do this cascading thing, and I just absolutely love it. If you guys are on Instagram, make sure to follow me there. I'll leave the information down here. I post a lot of things about the plants that I have, about what I'm doing, so you can, be the first to know. And one more. So this snake plant is also one that I got. I think I got it at the same time than this one. I love it. It seems to be hardy enough, and the rain's coming, and hopefully you got to see every plant here because I'm not going to remake this video. Let me know if you have any questions. If not, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you until the next time.